Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can solve the yellow triangle or no internet access problem. As you might have been tried the previous videos but it didn't work for you. If you have Windows 10 then you might or Windows 8 then you might consider this solution. So you will have to go to your search tab and you type settings and you click on it. And from the settings we will go to network and internet. And from here we will scroll down and we'll go to network reset. When you click network reset, all the passwords stored in your computer, I'm talking about network things. So any password of Wi-Fi, any password of a router, all of it, it will be deleted. And your network settings on your computer will be resetted, and this might solve your problem as it works for me. It worked for me before. So we will click on it. It will take 5 minutes and then your computer will be restarted and then the problem should be solved. You will have to look for your Wi-Fi name and log on it again using your password and then it should be fine. So for now, I will just click network reset and here you will click reset now. So it says exactly this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking component back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So if you are using virtual switches or VPN, then it might be also deleted. So I would suggest to you to read this carefully before clicking reset now. So for now, I will just click for reset. It will ask you if you are sure you want to do that. I will just click yes. And then a message will pop up saying that your computer will be restarted after 5 minutes. So it will say you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You can just click close and that's it. You will have to wait 5 minutes. Your computer will be restarted. As you see guys, after you clicked reset network settings, your computer will will restart after 5 minutes and then all your network settings have been resetted or deleted. So now when I go to my Wi-Fi, I can see my wireless. I will just select it and click connect. I will just enter my password and I will click next. So now it will start checking for the network and trying to establish the connection. So we'll have to wait a little bit. And yes, we are connected. So now we can go to control panel and check if we are connected. Network, network and sharing center. It might take few seconds for your internet to appear. As I said, it might take few seconds, up to 2 minutes for your internet to appear and the settings to be correctly done. So here identifying, access type internet, connection Wi-Fi LAN, wireless local area network 3090, that's my wireless or my local internet name. So I will just go and click on Mozilla and check if my internet is really working as I want it. As you can see here, the signal is high, so let's try Google. And let's try Albert Einstein to see if the page will open. Let's open Wikipedia to see. So yeah, my internet is working fine and now the problem should be solved. If the problem is not resolved yet, please check the next videos and try the next solutions. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe.